All traders are looking for a strategy that is simple to use and can help them in analyzing complicated financial charts. Divergence is an efficient and easy to use technique that even beginner traders can take advantage of utilizing it. Hello, I'm Dr. Trader Amir and welcome to my YouTube channel. At first, let me tell you about what is divergence in trading. It refers to a position where the price candlestick moves in the opposite direction of an associated indicator, and the indicator that I prefer to use for this purpose is RSI. Overall, there are several types of divergence. First one is the regular bullish divergence. Go to your desired chart in tradingview.com and go to indicator section and search for relative strength index and add it to your chart. Then you can go to settings and adjust settings based on your preferences. For example, you can change the color of RSI indicator, or you can add or eliminate the moving average. You can see that this the yellow line is moving average, and also you can change the RSI length, and I recommend that you set the RSI length to 14, and then we'll go for analyze the chart. At this position we can see that we have a decrease in the price of market. Let me draw it, and this decrement is from $58,000 to approximately $53,000. But in the RSI indicator, we can see that we have a increment that is from approximately 24 to 28, and this is the divergence between the candlestick price and also the RSI indicator. And after this we will go for a long position from the lower shadow of the latest candle, and I will put the stop loss at approximately 5% and put the target profit to approximately 20%, and we will see what will happen after this. You can see that next candles are fluctuating in our target profit, and at this point our target is touched, and this example shows and substantiates how uh, accurate is divergence, and also you can easily make profit by using divergence and RSI indicator. The second type is regular bearish divergence. For instance, in this chart, at this area we can see that the price doesn't change, and from this point to this point, but at the RSI indicator we can see that the indicator is changing from approximately 66 to 63, and it means that the RSI indicator shows the decrement, but the price candlestick doesn't show any change, and this is a divergence. And after this, which is a bearish divergence, we should go for a short position. And let me start it from the latest candlestick and set the stop loss a little higher than the upper shadow of latest candlestick, and also this is the target profit. So we can see that next candles are completely in our target, and our prediction was completely accurate, and we will wait for candlesticks that touches our yes. As you can see, this was a prediction based on two subjects, divergence plus RSI, and you saw that just by knowing this information you could make a significant profit, and this wasn't a magic or anything like this. This was just combination of two information in trading. Type is bullish oversold divergence. This happens when RSI value is below 30. Additionally, an oversold condition does not guarantee that prices will rise immediately, and also it indicates potential buying opportunity. For example, in this instance, we can see that at this part of chart, the RSI indicator is showing oversold because the line is below the 30 and it touches the values like 18 and 20. And also, as we can see in the chart, we have a little downtrend. Now let me use this trend line. We can see that there is a downtrend in the price candlestick, but in RSI indicator we have a increment from approximately 18 to 32, and it shows a divergence between the RSI indicator and also the price candlestick. And as I mentioned earlier, the oversold does not guarantee that the market gonna rise immediately, and we should wait for some confirmation. For example, the candlestick pattern. We can see that in two next days we have a bullish candlestick patterns, and it will help us to make informed decision, and after this we will go for a long position from this point, and we will set it, and the risk to reward ratio is always 3 in my tradings. So we will wait for next day candles to see that if our prediction was true or not. And you can see that the next day candles are completely in our target profit zone. And as we expected, in next days, the candles touched our prediction level, and this shows and substantiates that how RSI with divergence subject can help us in making profit in all financial charts. And also the important point in this section was about the oversold opportunity, and this oversold is so popular in most of financial charts and you should be aware of it. And another thing is oversold is not a solid buying opportunity, and you should always wait for next candles to get confirmation. For example, at this point in next days we had two bullish candles, and this confirmation was valid and enough for us to go for long position and enter the market. The last type is bearish overbought divergence. This happens when RSI value is above 70. Moreover, overbought does not signal sudden trend reversal or continuation, and it is just illustrating probable selling opportunity. For example, at this instance, we can see that there is an uptrend, and let me draw the trend line. You can see that the price is increasing from approximately $92,000 to approximately $108,000. And in RSI, we can see that because it is above the 70, and for example, at this point, it touches the 85 and 82, and these are overbought areas. And overall, we can see that in RSI indicator, the value is decreasing from approximately 83 till 69, and this is the divergence because the price candlestick is showing the increase and increment, but the RSI indicator illustrates the decrement. And as I mentioned earlier, at this position, there is a probable selling opportunity, and we would go for short position after the latest candle and set the stop loss a little higher than the upper shadow of latest candle and set the target profit to approximately 14% and wait for next candles to see that if our prediction was true and accurate or not. We can see that the next candles are fluctuating in our target profit and we are so optimistic, and in this candle our target is touched, and this shows and illustrates that how accurate the RSI and divergence is, and you can make profit in both a long position or short position by knowing about the divergence and the RSI indicator. And also, as I mentioned in all of my videos, learning trade and become a professional trader is so dependent on the rehearsal practice. And if you want to become a expert in this career or science, you must rehearse and practice daily and hourly, because there's a tons of information in this area. And if you want to go for example, trading with just a little knowledge, you cannot become a, for example, millionaire or whatever you want. And also, uh, if you have any questions related to trading, for example, like the RSI or other indicators, and also the support and resistance and candlestick patterns, or any questions related to trading, you can easily ask me in the comment section and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it and have a great day. Bye bye.